In this video, I will show you how to fix if your time is not syncing in Windows 11. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. For whatever reason your time is not syncing, the way to fix this is what you want to do from your desktop is come down to your search box in your taskbar at the bottom. In here, type settings and then open up settings underneath best match. Once you're in your settings, come over to the menu on the left hand side, and what you want to do is click onto time and language. From here, come up to the top and click where it says date and time. From here, what you want to do is make sure the option at the top to set the time zone automatically is turned on, and also set the time automatically, you want to make sure that's turned on as well. Now, once you've done that, it might just take a minute or two, and once you've done that, what you want to do is scroll down a bit to the additional settings section where you're going to find the sync now option. From here, click the sync now button, and that's going to go ahead and sync your time. Now, if after doing this your time is still not syncing, then I'm going to show you how to fix this. So what you want to do is for now just close down your settings window, and what you want to do from your desktop is come down to your search box in the taskbar at the bottom. In here, type services and then open up services underneath best match. What that's going to do is open up your services window, so it's going to look something like this, and from here you want to find the auto time zone updater service. You can see it's just down here, so click to select it. Then what you want to do is right click onto this, come and click onto properties on the menu that comes up, and change the startup type from manual to automatic. Once that's done, click apply and OK, and then what you want to do is right click onto it again and click start. It's going to take a second or two to start the service. Once you've done that, you also want to repeat this for another service called Windows Time. It's in alphabetical order, so you just want to scroll down the list until you get to W. Once you come down to W, as you can see, we've got the Windows Time service here. So again, you want to click to highlight, right click onto this and click onto properties. On the properties window that comes up, again, what we're going to do is change the startup type from manual to automatic and then click apply and OK. Finally, what we want to do is right click onto Windows Time, and on this menu, if it's not showing as started already, you can click start to start the service. Now, if you've tried this but you're still having problems and your time and date is not syncing, there's another thing you can try. So if you actually close down your services window, and what you want to do is come down to your search box, this time you want to type run and then open up run underneath best match. Now in the search box, the run box down here, what you need to do is type time date, all one word, just like this, .cpl, and then hit enter. What that's going to do is open a window like this, and from here you want to come up to the top, you can see some different tabs, and click onto internet time. Once you've done that, you're going to see a button to change settings. Give that a click, and that's going to open a small window like this. Now what you want to do is tick the box to synchronize with an internet time server, and on this server drop down box you want to click onto this and change it to the next one, so the second one down, time.nist.gov, and then click the update now button. So it's just going to take a minute or two to synchronize. Once that's done, click OK, and what you can do is just close this down, and now hopefully your time should now be synced correctly on Windows 11. So that's how to fix if the time is not syncing on Windows 11. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.